Hello,
Hello, welcome to our store. How can I help you today?
I'm looking for a blue shirt.
Great. We have blue shirts in various sizes and styles. What size are you looking for?
I'm looking for a medium.
Perfect. We have several options in medium. Do you have a particular style in mind? Perhaps something casual or maybe more formal?
Casual will be fine.
Lovely choice. We have some fantastic casual blue shirts in medium. Let me show you a few options. This one here is £20, and it's very comfortable and stylish.
Good. I'll take that.
Excellent choice. I'll get that ready for you. Would you like to look at anything else while you're here?
No, nothing else. Thank you.
Alright. Let's get you checked out then. That will be £20. Thank you for shopping with us.
Okay, thank you. There's the cash.
Thank you. Here's your receipt. Have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you again soon.
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. Take care and enjoy your new shirt.
Hello, how can I help you today?
I appreciate the offer, but I'm actually here to find a stylish blue shirt for a weekend event. Could you point me in the right direction?
Sure. What kind of shirt you want? Casual, stylish, or a more formal one?
I'm looking for something more on the casual stylish side. It's for a weekend event, so it doesn't need to be too formal, but I want it to look sharp and well fitted.
Okay. Here it is. Your shirt. Take a look at.
Thank you, this looks promising. Let me try it on and see how it fits.
Sure. Please try it on.
Alright, I'll be right back.
So, do you like the shirt?
Yes, it fits perfectly and looks great. I think this will work well for the weekend event. Thanks for your help.
Good. That will be £20.
That's a reasonable price. I'll take it. Do you accept card payments?
Yes, we do accept card payments.
Great. I'll pay by card then. Here you go.
Here is your receipt. Thank you for shopping.
Thank you. I appreciate your assistance. Have a great day.
Have a nice day and enjoy your shirt.
Thank you. Have a great day as well.